We moor at the northern tip of the island in Portsmouth, a town which clearly still bears evidence of one of Mother Nature's most destructive forces, hurricanes. There are some realities you can't escape, and this, for sailors and landlubbers alike, is one of them. Renting a car here proves difficult until Shannon manages to convince the clerk from the UPS office to rent us his own personal chariot.
This is Geneva number 2.
So our new ship of the land is called Geneva number 2.
Yeah.
And we promise to take good care of her.
Sure, definitely. I appreciate that.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Hawaiian orchid.
Incredible, right? Look at that. I love how complicated they
come
are.
on.